Activate and access your FotoCube calendar through the FotoCube mobile app and sync with your existing online calendars. Create family members. Each member can choose their own exclusive color. FotoCube Calendar supports syncing with Google, iCloud, and local phone calendars. Add and delete events directly on your FotoCube calendar. Includes chore items that can be marked as complete. If using the 15-inch FotoCube frame, daily meal plans. Add 30-day short-term plans. Stay updated with multiple household schedules in week view or month view. Add a cover image to your meal plan in the mobile app.